Lil Baby is a rapper who was in jail for just 2 years, but when he got out, the entire music industry was vibing to his tracks. A star who was launched onto the industry's biggest stage just 6 months after learning how to rap, and a self-made millionaire whose every album breaks Billboard records. Lil Baby's journey is not just a rapper's story, it's the story of a genius entrepreneur. From getting out of jail to building a multi-million-dollar empire, this is the rise of Lil Baby. Let's dive into his luxury lifestyle and his successful career. Lil Baby's real name is Dominique Armani Jones, and he was born on December 3, 1994, in Atlanta, Georgia. His childhood wasn't easy, as his father left the family when he was only 2 years old. His mother raised him single-handedly, but the family struggled financially, forcing Lil Baby to leave school and take to the streets. By a young age, Lil Baby was involved in drug dealing and street hustling. He didn't complete high school because his focus was on making money, but the way he was doing it was illegal, leading to a stint in jail. In 2014, Lil Baby was sentenced to 2 years in jail, and it was during this time that his friends encouraged him to try rapping. Lil Baby wasn't really interested in rap at that point, he just wanted to make money. However, when Young Thug and Gunna financially supported him and pushed him to give rap a chance, Lil Baby spent just 6 months learning the craft and then came out with a bang. Lil Baby's first mixtape, Perfect Timing, dropped in 2017, shaking up Atlanta's underground rap scene. But the real breakthrough came in 2018 with his album, Harder Than Ever, which featured the track, Yes Indeed, with Drake. This song reached the top 10 on the Billboard Hot 100, and Lil Baby instantly became a national star. Then came his collaboration with Gunna on Drip Too Hard, which went 9x platinum. In 2020, his album, My Turn, hit #1 on Billboard, solidifying his position as one of the most powerful names in the rap industry. Lil Baby's career has been a rapid rise, but behind it lies a strategic mindset. He worked with the biggest stars in the industry, consistently engaged his fanbase, and always kept his image fresh and relevant in the market. This demonstrates his business acumen. Lil Baby has not only made his fortune through music but also built a multifaceted business empire. He has made intelligent investments in areas that go beyond his music career, securing his personal wealth. 4PF, 4 Pockets Full, his own record label, promotes new artists, adding to Lil Baby's influence in the music industry while building his business network. Lil Baby has also ventured into the fashion industry, collaborating with top brands like Nike, Puma, and Balenciaga. This shows that his mindset goes beyond just rap. He is a savvy entrepreneur focused on diversified wealth generation. In addition, real estate investments play a significant role in his wealth. He owns several high-value properties in and around Atlanta, providing him with a steady income stream. He's also delved into cryptocurrency and NFTs, which reflects his modern, forward-thinking approach to growing his wealth. Lil Baby's business ventures not only protect his wealth but also expand his brand value. His networking and brand collaborations position him as a business mogul, with an eye on smart investments that help him grow his money intelligently. Lil Baby's luxury car collection is nothing short of a dream garage, with cars that any enthusiast would die for. He owns some of the most expensive and customized cars that reflect his style and swag. First, there's his Rolls-Royce Cullinan, worth around $400,000, which is his go-to luxury ride. Then comes the Lamborghini Urus, approximately $350,000, exuding power and opulence. He also owns a Ferrari 488 Spider, around $350,000, perfect for showcasing his fast-paced lifestyle. And let's not forget the McLaren 720S, priced at $300,000, which adds to his collection of high-performance vehicles. These are not just cars, they are status symbols that represent Lil Baby's personal taste and high-class lifestyle. Along with his diamond jewelry, such as his iconic 4PF diamond chain, valued at around $500,000, his luxury car collection and accessories tell the world he's rich, successful, and on top of the game. Today, Lil Baby's net worth is around $30 million, but he hasn't just made money, he's invested it wisely in a range of assets that secure his future. Beyond his wealth, Lil Baby is also active in philanthropy. During the BLM protests in 2020, he used his platform to speak out for justice, and his song, The Bigger Picture, raised over $2 million, which he donated to social causes. His political activism and support for social causes show that he is not just a rapper but also a responsible global citizen who uses his influence to bring about change. Lil Baby is not only focused on making money but also on making a difference in the world around him. Lil Baby's journey from a street hustler to a Grammy-winning rapper is one for the books. After getting out of jail, he dominated the music industry and built a multi-million-dollar business empire. And the best part? He didn't just make money, he protected it and grew it. If you found Lil Baby's story inspiring, let us know in the comments who's next on your list for a success story. And if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.